Your emperor, the emperor of no content, the 47-year-old fat, drunk, hairy loser with diabetes who lives in his mommy's garage, is going to purchase a old school style flip phone where I will allow anybody to call at all times. Now, at nighttime, when I'm off the clock, I will shut the phone off. So it will be the BERGS bat phone. Just like in Batman, you had a bat phone. This is going to be the BERG phone for the BERGS Show. So anyone who wants to call up Noodles, Camillo, I will have a text messaging plan also. So anyone who wants to show some love to the BERGS Show, hit me up at that PayPal right now, that Cash App link, and let's get the BERGS hooked up with a nice new flip phone, which will be dedicated just towards my YouTube activities. You can call up 24 hours a day if you want. It's only going to be turned on when I clock in. And when I clock out, the phone gets shut off. You see, what a great idea. That came from a great man. Because the BERGS is the king of zero content. I am the non-content content creator. But I do come up with creative ideas and plans. And this plan is going to revolutionize the BOYT. Yeah, I'll put the number out there for anybody. I'll put it on my About section of the BERGS Show page. Call or text me anytime you want. Now, who knows? Maybe this plan will be a huge failure and will blow up in my face because I'll get 1,000 calls a day. And then maybe I'll just have to take the phone and smash it with a sledgehammer. But the bottom line is this. You want to get a hold of me, Noodles? Put it on the board. Who wants to get a hold of the BERGS 24/7? Sometimes I might just, at nighttime, I'll turn off my regular phone. I'll turn on the BERGS phone. Sitting there watching a movie, eating some popcorn, and somebody calls from out of the blue, huh? Maybe I might pick up. Maybe I won't. So you want the BERGS to have a BERGS phone? Let's put it on the board right now, folks. You know how to hit me up. I've only been here for, 100 years? With that being said, your emperor is out.